Good morning. Welcome to Stack Farms. We've got a lot of chores to do today. I better get everybody up. Be right back. Let's let out the chickens. Time for a morning feed and water if they need it.
You guys definitely need feed.
A quick cleaning if needed. Here they come. Looks like they're happy to be out. We have 21 different chickens, different varieties. They are all laying hens.
Girls.
Time to check the rest of the flock.
Hi, babies.
We let everybody out in the morning. No eggs to gather this morning since they lay in the afternoon. We have 6 ducks and 3 geese.
Come on, babies. Good job.
They're happy. Stack Farms was established in 1928. This is the original house. There's Uncle Lester. And this is the original barn. This is one of our hay fields. It's part of the 33-acre farm here in North Royalton. Joe's getting ready to move one of the bales, the round bales, to the back. One of our small wagons. There's the brown bale. There's one of his hay rakes. This will feed the cows and the horses for a long time instead of using those small square bales. It's a little bit heavier, saves us a lot of time. There she goes. Dad's gonna give her a hand. Grandpa and Grandma are getting ready to open the stand for today. We've got onions, tomatoes, pumpkins, all kinds of good stuff, and even mums. Everyone is ready for bed. Thanks for visiting Stack Farms and watching Day in the Life of a Farmer.
Good night.